This is not your typical woman in red. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a good day. Today I'm going to be painting Elektra from Marvel Zombies, but this is a zombie hero. And if I look back at some of the miniatures I painted in the past, especially when I started painting and with zombies from Zombicide Black Plague, okay, yeah, they aren't the best painted, and I was just starting off, but zombies usually look like zombies. Whereas in Zombicide, or Marvel Zombies I should say, their poses make them look more like as if they were real heroes. Anyways, let's get to the table and see what we can do with this zombie hero. Alright, so we primed Elektra zombie version in matte white primer from the Army Painter, and when you looked at the back of that miniature, that's exactly what I was talking about, how it looked like a normal hero. But the moment you put Boney Matter on the skin or the flesh or whatever on these zombies, it turns them into a zombie. Okay, but the thing is, a lot of them don't have a lot of exposed skin, like you saw with Wolverine. I mean, the Human Torch, you couldn't even tell because he was all on fire. Anyway, so Elektra has a little bit more skin showing, not much, but I've decided that Boney Matter is going to be my go-to skin for every single zombie hero, even if they have a different color skin. And I'm saying that because there's a spoiler coming, there's another miniature coming up that I do exactly that. Anyways, so, but that is just my gist of it. And what I'm going to do too, since I have the stretch goals now, I have the X-Men Resistance box, I have the Sentinel Strike, I've got the Clash of the Sinister Six, I've got a lot of the zombie versions and the hero versions of the same model. I'm not going to paint them both on the same video because I think Elektra, there is another version of her somewhere down the line. But when I do paint the other one, I'm going to put a side-by-side comparison at the end of that video just to show you the difference between the two of them. I'm also going to put that picture up whenever that happens on my Instagram. It's also going to happen on my TikTok, so go take a look at that. Also, if you're interested, you can join my Discord channel. That link is in the description. I have a bunch of people there. We talk about a whole bunch of miniature stuff. We talk about Kickstarters that are going on. We show pictures of what we're working on. We share stuff. Yeah, you know, and it's just a fun community where we can talk and discuss a whole bunch of miniature painting stuff. People get a little bit more insight into me and to how my life is regarding miniature painting and stuff like that. So hey, feel free to come and join the Discord channel. Like I said, the link is in the description. As you can see, the big part of this miniature was red. Now, some are saying, well, why didn't you just prime the miniature in red? Well, frankly, I don't have any more pure red. I haven't had that in forever. And the chaotic red is just too dark. I mean, yes, I could have airbrushed a red on top of everything and then came back painted. But I'm trying to also speed through some of these miniatures, and speed paint is the way to go, right? But you'll see eventually I will paint them normally. I will have different color primers. I will have different ways of painting them. So don't just say, oh, I'm not going to watch this guy anymore. All he does is speed paint stuff. But however, I am here to be for you noobs out there that I got Marvel Zombies, I want to paint it, I've never painted in my life before. Well, this is where you start. I have a bunch of Marvel Zombies already painted. Take a look at those in the core box. I still have those little troopers left, the Walker versions. Haven't even started those yet in the core box. I'm still finishing off the runner versions. Like, I did 2 of them when I made the video, but batch painting to me is just something I got to get my mindset around. Anyways, back to Elektra here. So if you don't know too much about Elektra, well, she's part of the Daredevil world. Supposedly she's going to be the new Deadpool 3 movie, which is pretty cool, and so on and so forth. I don't know much. I'm not a big comic book reader. I'm more of a lore from the movies or from TV shows and stuff, so I'm not sure if it's going to be like accurate everything I say, but that's why I don't go too much detail about the characters. I just look at the minis. And again, thank you, Simon, for putting bases on these minis. And there you have it, folks. In less than about 15 minutes, you can have Elektra painted. Also, a great big thank you to my recent donator of $10, Kaviraj. Thank you again. You can do that as well. The link is in the description to either join or send a one-time donation. I want to thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you all in the next one.